this is Taylor from SINOMADA Heavy Industry company. Glad to see you again. Today, I want to show you the diesel engine, mixer concrete pump, and the factory named the Changsha Lishi Heavy Industry company. Our company cooperates with many famous brands like XCMG, ZOOMLION, LIUGONG, and CM, and so on. And we also have other machinery like wheel loader, road roller, bulldozer, motor grader, excavator, and forklifts, and so on. If you want to know more in machinery details, please contact me freely. Thanks. This is the mixer concrete pump. So now let me introduce you the pumping performance. The max steel concrete output is 40 cubic meter per hour, and the max steel concrete mixing is 15 to 25 cubic meter per hour. This machine also matched advanced S2 distributor valve. So this machine also has good sealing technology and well sealing performance. Here is the machine radiator. The brand is YUCHAI brand. So now let's see the engine. This model engine is YUCHAI brand. If you need WEICHAI brand engine, we also can place it for you. This type machine has independent mixing system with even mixing performance and high working efficiency. The mixing drum is 450 liters. The drum thickness is 80 milliliters. Only need one person to operate the machine. It is very convenient. This machine has double cylinder hydraulic pump system with high pumping speed. And the machine has compact structure, flexible movement, and it is also very easy to operate and maintain. What's more, the machine matches PLC system to ensure best control performance. This is wire controller and the panel.